Are you searching for a love from this world? God had already bestowed a true love to this world. Are you ready to grab that love? In your relationship, did you get abandoned by your loved one? Because he can understand you, because you can express what is inside you, or their time is not enough for you, or the love that you get, it is always unsatisfied for you. In your family, there are always misunderstanding between the family members, the trials, the unhealthy, because they can't share the same love. They can't understand the way you understand. You get ignored by the society or by a friend and colleague because you don't have time for them. They can't accept who you are, or their love was limited for you. In everything you do, you feel left out. You feel the emptiness within your heart. The peace is missing. The unsatisfaction or the unsatisfied love you are getting. But God is here for you to solve all your problem, to fulfill all the desire within you. God is here to understand you. He will spare a time for you. He will accept the way who you are. He is ready to listen to you if you are willing to share Him. He is the only masterpiece of you. His love will always satisfy us. His love is endless. His love is pure. But we should build a relationship with Him. You should contact with Him every day in our life if we want this true love. We need to seek Him first, and you will get the satisfaction love. The best way to find a perfect love is to find God. We love Him because He first loved us. God loved us so much, and we must love Him first because He already given His love to us on the cross.